Here we go then with the under 18 girls 800 meter final. Shanika Harris of Port Antonio in lane 3. Cavell Wesley, Port Antonio in 4. Alex Jordan Hall, Clarendon College in lane 5. The 1500 meter champion, Sydney Pagan.
Harris, the 400 meter hurdle champion from Port Antonio High, goes up against Hall, the 1500 meter champion from Clarendon College. So both those ladies to the front here, and Graham of Sydney Pagan.
Kamaya Graham it is of Sydney Pagan STEM Academy. Just prompting the initiative, just from Alex Jordan Hall of Clarendon College. Then behind them we've got Shanika Harris of Port Antonio High.
All three girls have run 2 minutes 14 seconds this season, so they all are aware that they all share the same PB, so they're really pushing for it here.
So Kamaya Graham of Sydney Pagan out front from Alex Jordan Hall of Clarendon College. Shanika Harris of Port Antonio High still within striking distance as they head down the backstretch for the final time. Kamaya Graham of Sydney Pagan continues to hold the lead. Alex Jordan Hall of Clarendon College wants to take closer orders. So too Shanika Harris of Port Antonio High. She looks dangerous at this stage.
Going to be interesting. Harris has a bit more speed than the other two, but Hall very strong. She has the 1500 meter strength. All of them, I said, run 2:14, so it's going to come down to the final 100 meter here.
Alex Jordan Hall of Clarendon College takes up the ascendancy. Shanika Harris of Port Antonio High is finishing fast. Alex Jordan Hall from Harris. Jordan Hall from Harris. They come back to the finish in that order. Alex Jordan Hall from Clarendon College ahead of Shanika Harris of Port Antonio High.
That's a new
and then
personal
Kamaya
best.
Graham of Sydney Pagan. 2 minutes 13.10 for the winner.
That's a new personal best for Alex Jordan Hall and Shanika Harris of Port Antonio High. Both of them running 2 minutes 13. It did come down to the final 100. Alex Jordan Hall winning the 1500 meter earlier on day one, sat on the shoulders of Kamaya Graham of Sydney Pagan and pressed down the home straight away. Harris from Port Antonio High, who won the 400 meter hurdles yesterday, she trying to close here, ended up pushing each other to a new personal best of 2 minutes 13. So very good running from those ladies.
So under 18 girls, 800 meter final coming to a close. Dwayne Extall has joined us. Dwayne, welcome to the final day of these championships. And as I said earlier, what should be some exciting events should unfold later on the program.
Yeah, good afternoon, Spencer, Daniel, to our listeners, viewers, wherever you are. It's a great Sunday, a great opportunity for us to continue to enjoy track and field here in the land of wood and water.
Alex Jordan Hall, 2 minutes 13.10. The 1500 meter champion adds the 800 meter title to her collection. Shanika Harris in second, 2:13.70. Kamaya Graham third, 2:14.53. Under 18 boys event is going to be the next final on the track.